Okay, paano ba natin gamitin yung power rule sa Calculus 1 or differential calculus? Ang power rule sa Calculus 1 ay the derivative of u raised to n is equal to nu n minus 1 multiplied by du over dx. So, yung n natin, that is for exponent. Yung u, that is your variable na ginagamit sa problem. Like for example, you want to derive x cubed. So dito, makikita natin yung pattern u raised to n. So basically, that is u raised to n. So ibig sabihin nun, yung n ay 3 at u is that is x. So to get the derivative, susundan mo lang yung formula, which is ito yun. So n, that is 3, u, that is x, and then n minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1. So, our answer is just 3. Just copy the x. Copy mo lang yan. Then, 3 minus 1, that is 2. So, ang sagot natin dyan is 3x squared. So, paano naman guys kung meron tayong coefficient? So, for example, we want to derive 6x raised to 4. So, ganun pa rin yung gagawin sa formula. So, u raised to n pa rin. That is u raised to n. So, basically, meron lang talagang coefficient. So, ang n natin dyan is raised to 4. Ang ganun pa rin, ang u is, yung n is 4, yung u is x. So, to get the derivative, guys, just copy first the coefficient or the constant. Constant tawag dyan. So, just copy the 6. Then, tsaka mo lang gagawin yung formula na to. So, n, which is 4. So, ibig sabihin, mamumultiply silang dalawa. Then, copy the variable because after the n, yung u naman. Ang u natin is x. X. Then, 4 minus 1, that is 4 minus 1. So, our derivative is 6 times 4, that is 24x. 4 minus 1, that is cube. So, our answer is 24x cubed.